together with the people, because the only power, the only resource we have is our people. That night, when the fire broke out here, it was the support of the government, the support of the people that came together to control the fire, to not spread the other parts of the city. If you stay with us in the afternoon, you might see so many different volunteers coming to provide food for the soldiers, to help and support all affected, businessmen and women. Sometimes when I'm here, it's like I don't have much words to say because I'm heartbroken. I've been here that night and I have seen the tears of my people. I remember this market a few days ago. It was a beautiful place, a place where people were making money. But today it's a place where any human being cannot look or see or, I don't know how to describe. Sometimes I lost words. Thank you for coming. But we can't wait because we have to establish so many temporary markets so that the economic circulation can restart in the city. Already we identified about 6 locations, and those temporary markets will be established soon. With the support of the central government, and I thank my minister, the Minister of Interior, who have been with us since that day, tirelessly. The President, everybody in the government, nobody goes to his office. We are all here to do together. We hope the international community also to do with us, to rebuild the market, to help the affected business women and men, and to not say much. We take you inside so that you can look around, you can see in your eyes, and then you can report back to the world.